Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this wonderful lace, and very easy. For this tutorial I'll use some drops Muskat cotton. It's, let's see, it's 100% cotton. I'll put all the information in the description box. Oh, I think a storm is coming in Romania. Okay, so let's get started. I'll need also a 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, and for this tutorial let's chain multiples of 4 plus 2, let's say 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, plus 2. Now single crochet in second stitch from the second chain, from the hook. So not in this one but in this one. Single crochet here, and now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in next chain. And let's repeat across. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip next 3 chains and single crochet into the next one. Single crochet, insert the hook, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull 2 loops. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 3, 1, let's see, 1, 2, 3, skip, single crochet into the next chain, and again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, skip, single crochet into the next chain. I hope you can see the stitches. And again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the last chain. And this is our first row. Now for the second one, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn, and single crochet in next chain space here. Single crochet. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the next chain space. And now chain 2 and double crochet into the last stitch, this one here. So double crochet here, and this is our second row. Now chain 1 and turn, single crochet into the first stitch here, chain 3, and single crochet in next chain space, not in this one but in this one, because here we have only 2 chains, and single crochet here. Now chain 3 and single crochet into the next chain space, chain 3, single crochet into the next one, chain 3 and single crochet into the next chain space, chain 3 and single crochet into the last chain space, and this is our third row. Now chain 3 and turn, 3 double crochet into this chain space, first one, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and with this chain space, 3 chains, we have 4 double crochet here. Now 4 double crochet in each space, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sorry. If you don't know how you can crochet this double crochet, insert the hook, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. It's easy. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and repeat 4 double crochet into this chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the last repeat, let's make only 3 double crochet here and double crochet into the last stitch. Okay, so now it looks good. And for our last row, chain 1, single crochet in first stitch here. Now chain 3, skip 1, 2, 3, double crochet and single crochet in this space between double crochet groups. So single crochet here. And now chain 3, skip next 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and single crochet into the next space here. Chain 3, skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, a big storm is coming, I think. 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and single crochet here. And for our last repeat, let's make chain 3 and double crochet in last stitch. Skip this one and double crochet into the last one. And this is our lace. Now if you want to make a bigger piece, you just have to repeat rows 2 to 5 and I'll show you how you can do this. So if you remember our row 2, it's chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in next chain space here, single crochet, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and single crochet into the next chain space all the way until the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet here, and for our last repeat, chain 2 and double crochet into the last stitch. It's easy and beautiful. Now chain 1, single crochet in first stitch here, single crochet, now chain 3 and single crochet in next chain space, again chain 3 and single crochet into the next chain space, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in next chain space, and chain 3, single crochet into the last one. Now chain 3 and turn, 3 double crochet in next chain space, first one. So 1, 2, 3. Now 4 double crochet into every chain space until we are here. chain 4 4 double crochet, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, and again 1 2 3 4, and in our last chain space 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3, and double crochet into the last stitch. I love it. I think it's perfect for summer tops, dresses, skirts, shorts maybe. Okay, and now chain 1. This is our last row, so chain 1 and single crochet into the first stitch here. Let's see, single crochet, now chain 3, and you know already, skip 3 double crochet, single crochet into the space between 4 double crochet groups. Now chain 3, skip 4, 1 2 3 4, and single crochet here, chain 3, single crochet here, chain 3, skip 4, 1 2 3 4, single crochet, and this is our last repeat, so chain 3 and double crochet into the last stitch. And this is our beautiful lace. I told you it's easy, it's fast, so please let me know if you like this tutorial. Thank you so much, Carrie. You told me you like my voice. This is amazing for me. And please comment and tell me what other stitches would you like me to make tutorials for. What other projects would you like me to crochet for you and with you together. Don't forget to enter my Instagram giveaway. And thank you all for being here. I'm new and I need all your support. Thank you for all your love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you later. Bye!